Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on When I Was Older and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. Before we get started, don't forget you guys can check out the links down below on how to download chords and tab sheets and also ways that you can support this channel. So for this tutorial, we're going to learn the chords and strumming, and then after we will learn the intro. So let's start off with the chords. So we're going to be using a total of 3 chords. The first chord is a B minor, then a C sharp diminished 7, then a G major 7. So these are the only 3 chords we're going to be using in this song. So we've got 3 chords we're using, but we're going to be using a 4 chord progression. So the B minor, C sharp diminished 7 to G major 7, and then back to the C sharp diminished 7. So here's the example of the strum pattern and the chords that you're going to be playing throughout the entire song. So the strum pattern is just down strums. So 4 down strums, and it's going to be played 4 times. So a total of 16 down strums for each chord that you're playing. So I will play it out and count it out for you guys so you guys can play with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You can do the same for the next one. Then to the G major 7. And back to the other. Alright, so let's try 2 lines of this to finish the strumming, and then we'll go right into learning the intro. 3, 4. Alright, so for the intro, I'm going to break it down into 4 parts. And, I'm going to take my time trying to show you guys and teach you guys how to play this part. But let's go and start off with on the C string. It's going to be on the 11th fret. So it's like an E minor shape. And we're playing this 2 times. So now let's get into the second part. And then on the second half, you're going to end on the first note that you played. So let's try and put the first part and the second part together. Alright, so we're halfway there learning the intro. Now let's start on the 7th fret of the C string. So now this last one is going to be on the 6th fret. So I'm going to use my pointer on the 6th fret. Okay, so now let's put those two parts together and play them. So hopefully you guys got that down. If not, you guys can go back and relearn it. But let's try and put all those parts together and play it. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and also go check out my other videos like this on the ukulele or guitar. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.